So we just got done shopping right there. So what happened when we were in there, Bonnie?
I don't want to say.
We were checking out in the register.
Right in front of the men's.
Right in front of the men's.
restroom.
And right in the middle of getting checked out, somebody out of the men's made that noise. And we all looked.
Like really loud.
We're like, oh no. And I didn't realize there was a big line behind us. I was like, oh man.
That was a big one.
It must have been a big one. Everybody started laughing, but I've never experienced that before at Walmart. It was a conversation piece for quite some time.
Yes, yes. But it was embarrassing when a man walked out.
We saw the guy walk out, and anyway, try not to look.
Yeah.